Hi. Welcome to YouTube channel UKR786. Today I am going to talk about another way to earn online. I am talking about how to earn from YouTube. This video is the part 1 of the how to earn from YouTube. Here I am going to explain step-by-step process about how to create a channel on YouTube. Topics covered in the video series are following. History of YouTube. How to make YouTube channel. YouTube channel art. How to increase views on YouTube. Now some light is thrown on the history of YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing online network owned by Google. It was launched on February 14, 2005 by Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim. Bought by Google in $1 billion in 2006. Now the rest of video is about how to create YouTube channel. In the first step, to create an ID we sign up with Google. Enter your details. Name. Date of birth. Phone. Then we use Google account to sign in YouTube. YouTube website is opened. On the top right section, sign in option is clicked to sign up for YouTube using Google account. After signing into the YouTube, on the top right corner sign in changes to your email name. We open the option of create channel to create a channel on YouTube by clicking the email icon on top right. Write the name of the channel. Then click the button create channel. Shown in the next slide. The name should represent the niche and also it should be unique so that everyone can remember it easily. After creating channel. Channel looks as shown in the next slide. Here you can see the option of upload video, which is used to upload the video online in YouTube so that your viewers can see it. Thanks for watching video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for future post.